Xstream solar hot water cylinders for total reliability you can count on. The first solar adaptable, non-corrosive and non-metallic Xstream geyser was produced in July 2003, a geyser which is still operational today, just like 99% of all Xstream geysers manufactured since. The most important part of the hot water cylinder is the inner tank. It must perform under pressure at high temperatures and survive an extremely aggressive chemical environment. We use epoxy vinyl ester resin and glass in the construction of our inner tanks, thereby eliminating known causes of inner tank failures associated with traditional metal tanks. Non-ferrous materials like those used by us cannot corrode, which is a major reason for tank failure. Nor can any galvanic reactions where dissimilar materials are interconnected occur. Our tanks are totally corrosion-free. No metal is used in the construction thereof. Based in Paarl, Xstream's management team has more than 70 combined service years, indicating a wealth of experience and technical know-how. Xstream subscribes to standards of excellence, which has seen it retain a significant amount of satisfied customers. We manufacture in accordance with ISO standards and SAP-S specifications. Xstream are members of IOPSA and CESA and support the Plumbing Industry Registration Board. Common problems associated with metal hot water cylinders include corrosion, a destructive attack of metal by chemical or electrochemical reaction with its environment. Inner lining. Metal tanks are normally lined with anti-corrosive material to protect the inner surface from corrosion. A sacrificial anode is installed that protects potentially bare areas exposed to hot water. If this anode is not replaced regularly, the tank will start to corrode. Galvanic reaction occurs when two metals having different composition are electrically coupled in the presence of an electrolyte. And metal fatigue. When water is heated, expansion occurs inside the geyser. The pressure drops when water is used. Incoming cold water causes contraction of the tank. Repeated over time, it breaks due to metal fatigue. We use epoxy vinyl ester resin, a 100% corrosion-free and FDA-approved material. Our tanks are made from a single, non-ferrous material, glass reinforced plastic, or GRP, which has no galvanic reaction properties. Our fittings are non-ferrous. GRP are up to 9 times stronger than steel on a weight-to-weight basis. Because a single material is used, the whole tank expands and contracts at the same rate. No need for a lining of any sort. We offer many options from domestic to industrial use. We will also specially design systems to the requirements of your project. The Xstream mainstream range is a high-pressure electrical geyser with solar ports. There are no retrofit valves required and solar flow is separated from normal geyser operation. All Xstream tanks can be manufactured in any color in order to blend in with the environment and can be installed either in or outside. Our mainstream range are closed vent tanks with a pressure rating of 400 kPa. In order to prevent the hot and cold water mixing inside the tank, a diffuser is installed, keeping the incoming cold water at the bottom of the tank, where the electric element is positioned in order to reheat the incoming cold water. The tank is basically a storage tank of thermal energy. Once heated, the tank's purpose is to keep the water hot for later usage. The mainstream range has a standard GRP eye bracket to support roof mount installations. All the fittings are positioned on one side of the tank for ease of connections and less pipe work. Various heating sources can be used with the Xstream tank. These include electricity, solar panels, evacuated tubes, PV panels, or heat pumps. The tank is factory fitted with the necessary in- and outlet ports to accommodate these connections at any future time. Solar ports can be blocked off if necessary. Xstream mainstream systems can be installed externally or internally. When installing externally, Xstream's mounting brackets should be used. For ease of installation, our new mounting brackets can be installed on any type of roof. The bracket strap can easily be slipped under roof tiles and be properly secured onto roof beams or directly to a non-tiled roof. Once the brackets are secured on the roof, the extreme geyser can simply be placed securely on top of the brackets, ensuring it fits into the angle at front-centered position. Once placed, you can then rivet the bracket to the outer skin of the geyser for even more security. Our new wall mounting brackets can be easily installed on any stable wall. These L-shaped brackets can be easily attached to walls. The brackets already have holes pre-drilled for minimal measuring. Once on the wall, the extreme geyser can simply be placed on top of the brackets. Xstream's low-pressure solution comes in the form of the Xstream range. Our Xstream range is a cistern-type open-to-vent system. Our tanks have a unique balanced pressure hot and cold water supply, suitable for shower mixing. Vacuum in this context refers to the solar heating or absorption component. In this case, 12 low-pressure vacuum tubes that are hail and freeze resistant. Our galvanized frame extends over the total area of the roof and is easy to adjust to any pitch. Our Xstream systems are supplied in kit format as a complete solar system and comprises of the main storage tank or vacuum stream, the supply tank or the supply stream, Cobra float valve fitted, all insulated pipework between the vacuum stream and supply stream in copper, galvanized adjustable frame, 12 tubes, grommets and end caps. Through convection, the heated water rises from the tubes into the storage tank. Through stratification, the hottest water rises to the top from where it is drained. The supply stream with the float valve stores any water that would otherwise be wasted through expansion and feeds it back into the vacuum stream tank for reuse. Balance pressure is optional on hot and cold water. The float valve positioned inside the supply stream can feed both the vacuum stream from where the hot water is drawn and the cold water supply to the shower. The vacuum stream is available either with or without electrical backup. The positioning of the element being in the upper half of the tank ensures minimum electrical usage. Expanded water from the vacuum stream is dumped entirely into the supply stream for reuse, ensuring no water wastage whatsoever. A simple, sturdy, easy-to-erect adjustable galvanized frame with all interconnecting copper pipework ensures effortless installations. Our design makes provision for perfectly round holes where the tubes are located into the vacuum stream, thus preventing leaks. With raised fittings for expanded water from the inner tank, we ensure there is no air trapped inside the vacuum stream. The vacuum stream non-electrical range can be interconnected for heating larger amounts of water. There is no limit on how many tanks can be interconnected. For bulk water storage, the Xstream Bulk Stream range is available in 650 litre and 2000 litre tanks. These units are ideally suited to industrial applications or where larger volumes of hot water would be required. It is aesthetically pleasing, available in any colour of choice, standard colour being grey. It is an open-to-vent, zero-pressure system. We can manufacture these units as a tank only, or can factory fit it to specification, be it for heating elements, heat exchangers, or various draw-off points. Alternatively, see our website for various options available with heat exchanger, heat pump, and/or electrical ports fitted. Another option for bigger volume requirements is an interconnected stack system that can be tailored to your needs. This example is of an 8-tank stack system connected to a heat pump. Designed with durability, simplicity, and aesthetics in mind, this trapdoor can be fitted in existing ceilings without too much of a hassle. It accepts bigger size geysers and can be cleaned without even breaking a sweat. The kit consists of one frame, one lid, 12 aluminium plates, 12 stainless steel screws, and 12 washers. All that is needed to install is a drill and screwdriver. Installing the Xstream trapdoor is a one-man job with the aluminium plates keeping the trapdoor in place. This means less effort and time is needed to install. Need a custom size for your project? Contact us today. Installing an Xstream trapdoor couldn't be any easier. In only 6 steps, your trapdoor will be ready to use. These trapdoors are easy to clean and can be painted. Of all the Xstream geysers manufactured since 2003, 99% are still operational today. Why? No metal means no corrosion, no galvanic reaction, no metal fatigue, and no need for aligning. The Xstream mainstream range consists of high-pressure closed-vent tanks that can be manufactured in any color and connected to various heating sources. We also manufacture roof and wall mount brackets for outside installations. The Xstream VacuStream range consists of low-pressure open-to-vent cistern-type systems with hail and freeze-resistant tubes and adjustable frame. These units are available with or without electrical backup and have perfectly round holes in the tanks for tubes. These units waste no water and can be interconnected. The Xstream Bulk Stream range consists of zero-pressure open-to-vent tanks. Various options are available with heat exchanger, heat pump and/or electrical ports. An alternative option for bulk water storage are the Xstream stack systems. The Xstream trapdoor accepts larger size geysers and can easily be installed, cleaned and painted. They are also available in custom sizes. For more information or to discuss your future projects, contact our factory. All supporting documents such as installation and warranty documents are available for download on the technical support page of our website. Our warranties are time reducing and subject to correct usage and installation in accordance with SANS 10254 for electric water heaters and SANS 10106 for solar water heaters.